we are back again. I know it's been a long time that we put any videos on our channel. There are numerous reasons to it, but this time we'll assure you that we'll keep putting the videos more frequently. You just keep loving us as you always did. Today we have come up with tea coasters. You know, right, what are tea coasters? The tea coasters are basically used to put on your drinks or your teacup so that the base surface does not get dirty. I've tried to keep it as simple for you, so let's see. Hope you like it.